In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a student planner in Notion, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Whether you're new to Notion or just want to improve your organizational skills, this guide will help you set up a planner to manage your classes and assignments effectively. To get started first, you'll need to create a new page in Notion. If you haven't done this before, simply navigate to the left sidebar where you see the plus icon. Click it, and you'll be prompted to enter a title for this page. You could call it something like Student Planner or My Semester Planner. This will be your workspace, so feel free to name it according to your personal style. Next, we'll add a table to keep track of all your assignments and classes. Tables in Notion are incredibly useful for organizing information, and you'll see just how flexible they can be. On your newly created page, choose Table from the Content options, which will serve as the foundation of your planner. This table is what we'll use to store all of the essential information you need to keep on track throughout your school term. Now, it's time to customize your table with specific columns that will be crucial for staying organized. First, add a column for Subject. This will allow you to know which class the assignment is for at a glance. Next, add a column for Deadline. This is arguably one of the most important parts since it allows you to prioritize tasks based on urgency. Feel free to make this a date column so you can easily sort and filter by due dates. Lastly, add a status column. Here you can track whether an assignment is pending, in progress, or completed. This feature will enable you to quickly assess what work still requires your attention. After setting up your columns, think about how you want to organize these tasks. Many students find it helpful to organize their planner by week or by semester. This step will depend largely on personal preference and how the academic schedule is structured. To organize by week, you might consider creating a view for each week of your course calendar. This way you can focus on immediate tasks. Alternatively, organizing by semester could provide a big picture view, allowing you to lay out everything you have to tackle over several months. Congratulations, you've now set up a basic student planner in Notion. Over time, you can tweak and adjust this template to better fit your needs. Notion also allows you to add additional features like reminders and tags, making it an even more powerful tool. I hope this tutorial helps you to stay on top of your academic responsibilities and makes your study life a little bit easier. Thanks for joining me, and enjoy using your new planner.